promise, nice, even in good health and not in good health or good shape. Until death separation. Okay, so this marriage is not just a commitment, but a lifetime commitment. Okay. Wear this ring at all times, for it will remind you of your marital vow. Get the ring here. Okay. What do you call Maricel? Maricel? No love, money, my love, okay. My love, wear this ring as a sign of my love and dedication to you. My love, wear this ring as a sign of my love and dedication to you. Question again, continue the ceremony or objecting or no objection?
No objection. No.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Republic, and may you live a fruitful and meaningful life as a couple until death separates you. Until death separate this.
Is the bride.
Not too long, only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes.
Okay. Again.
Balik. It's not 5 minutes in Russia.
Slow motion.